Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. And so today I want to talk about YouTube long-term thinking. Because I think for a lot of people who are just starting out on YouTube or pretty much any other internet platform, if they've never done this before or have never had success, they're normally going to take a shorter term thinking approach. And I did that myself because I wasn't sure if this was going to work out and I really didn't know which direction I was going to go. But I would say if you are going to be starting out here in YouTube and you want to make this something you want to do for years or possibly a lifetime, you really need to start adopting a long-term mindset. And even if you have a short term at the beginning, which is normal, really start changing that to a long term, because that is going to save you a lot of headaches, a lot of frustration, and just really change your overall thoughts on how to approach things, because YouTube isn't like the YouTube that we were used to back in the day. It's not like you just post up a cat video and all of a sudden becomes viral and now your channel just blows up and then you're making millions of dollars. Those days are long gone. And if anything, it's not just YouTube, it's every other internet platform, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever the case might be. It's getting harder and harder for you to be seen, because these platforms, they're not going to give you all this free traffic for free forever. There's going to have to be some type of way that they make money, and they're not going to make as much money if they're just giving you free traffic. And so that's really the reality of what's going on the business end. And also some of the positives of you taking a long-term approach. And it's not just here in YouTube, it's pretty much anything. Anything that you take a longer-term approach, you're probably going to be thinking more clearly and logical versus just feeling that you want to get there quicker, and then you start making really bad decisions that affect you longer term. Whereas if you take this more long-term mindset, you're probably going to definitely be more patient. You're going to learn more because you're going through a lot more things over that time. And whenever you get to the goals and the success that you want, I think it's going to be a lot more rewarding, and more than likely you'll be more prepared for that success versus if you just blew up and then next month or the next few months you have to deal with those things, because there are other things that you deal with when you have success really quickly. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool used at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. And so those are my thoughts on YouTube long-term thinking. I think it is something that is natural for people to be short-term and then long-term. But if you can adopt this whole long-term mindset a lot earlier, it's going to help you a lot more. And you're probably going to be happier doing this for many years to come. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire YouTube journey playlist, I will leave that in the description as well. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.